In today's fast-paced world, it's not uncommon to feel sluggish, bloated, and overwhelmed with the demands of daily living. But what if there was a simple change you could make to your daily routine that would instantly boost your energy, support weight loss, improve your immune system, and leave your skin glowing? What if I told you that all these benefits could be found in a single cup of lemon tea? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we are committed to making health and wellness education fun and accessible for everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of lemon tea and exploring its amazing benefits. So grab a cup, settle in, and get ready to discover how lemon tea can transform your well-being. But before we dive into the myriad benefits of lemon tea, let me introduce myself. I'm a certified health coach and the founder of a health and wellness company. My mission is to empower people to achieve their health goals through education, guidance, and support. I've seen firsthand how small changes like incorporating lemon tea into your daily routine can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Now let's talk about the star ingredient of our lemon tea, lemons. They are not just a culinary delight. They are packed with an abundance of nutrients and compounds that offer a wide range of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to aiding digestion, lemons are a true gift from nature. One of the most notable benefits of lemon tea is its ability to aid digestion. The warm water combined with the citrus content of lemons can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and reducing bloating. If you often experience discomfort after meals, lemon tea may be your new best friend. Another amazing benefit of lemon tea is its potential to support weight management. When you drink lemon tea before breakfast, it can help kickstart your metabolism, leading to increased calorie burn throughout the day. Additionally, the filling properties of lemon tea can help control your appetite, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Lemon tea is also a heart-healthy choice. The flavonoids and vitamin C in lemons can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, promote healthy blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular health. By incorporating lemon tea into your diet, you are taking a proactive step towards protecting your heart. As we all know, stress is a part of daily life, but it shouldn't overpower us. Lemon tea can help alleviate stress thanks to the soothing aroma and calming properties of lemons. Taking a few deep breaths while enjoying a cup of lemon tea can help lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. Now let's discuss the magic potion itself, the preparation of lemon tea. Making lemon tea is incredibly easy. Start by heating 1 cup of water until it reaches a gentle boil. Once boiling, remove the pan from the heat and let the water cool down slightly. Add half a lemon, which has been freshly squeezed, and stir the mixture. To enhance the antioxidant content of your tea, you can add green tea leaves or use a green tea bag. Let the tea steep for a few minutes and then strain the mixture to remove any particles. Sweeten the tea naturally with honey, but avoid refined sugar. And that's it. Your refreshing and detoxifying lemon tea is ready. Now let's explore some additional tips for enjoying lemon tea to maximize its benefits. For those looking to lose weight, it is recommended to drink lemon tea before breakfast on an empty stomach. This can help jumpstart your metabolism and aid in shedding those extra pounds. However, it's important to note that lemon tea should complement a balanced diet and regular exercise, not replace it. To ensure optimal results, always remember to rinse your mouth after drinking lemon tea. This helps protect tooth enamel from the citric acid in lemons, ensuring your smile stays bright and healthy. For individuals dealing with acidity issues, it's advisable to reduce the amount of lemon juice to avoid any discomfort. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a slice of ginger or a dash of cinnamon to your lemon tea. These ingredients not only add a unique flavor, but also offer additional health benefits. In conclusion, lemon tea is a simple yet powerful elixir for overall well-being. Its combination of natural detoxification, immune support, skin nourishment, digestion aid, weight management assistance, heart health promotion, stress reduction, and hydration makes it a must-have in your daily routine. Thank you for joining me on this journey to wellness. I encourage you to embrace the power of lemon tea and experience its transformative benefits firsthand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.